we don't know when to ask. And how you are solving?
Sir, that will like the trends of like the sleep patterns and all like that, they are active on the phone. That time we
So for
notify.
that you will be having a separate predicting model which will predict that the person need assistance.
Yes, yes.
So that model will also do the localization.
We can have a one compulsory notification and ask for anything for some help that like that.
Yeah, that will ask, not just will directly every permission they will only grant, then only we will ask.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Give me a round of applause.
Judges, it's alert time. I need a volunteer from you guys. A volunteer, please. It's alert time. Are you going to be a volunteer? Are you going to be a volunteer? Yeah. Yeah, you're going to be the volunteer. I'm going to take you back in time. You're in your early 20s and you're desperate for money. You want to save your parents and you have to finish off your home loans, right? So buy my stock. I'm a registered advisor. Are you going to buy my stock? I'm going to make you rich overnight. Do you want to buy my stock or not? Time is ticking. It's alert time. Do you want to buy my stock or not?
No.
Buy my stock.
No.
Buy it. Cash. It's an act. It's a noise. A noise that deceives all of us. It's exactly why I'm introducing Project Me Noise, which terminates the noise. For the introduction, I am actually introducing a scam that was conducted by a non-registered advisor called Adith, and he cost around 546 crores to the entire investors in India. This happened in between 2020 and 2025, and all this because of the social media noise. And the question is, who is going to be next? So I'm going to explain the problem very easily. In India, there are like 21 crore demat accounts. They are actually active investors, and most of them, about 75% of them, are actually new age investors. So they are actually below the age of 40. And the proper way to actually invest in the equity market is to refer archives. Mostly, they don't guarantee returns, but I think archives are one of the best ways to invest in the market, and most of the young participants do not refer mandates and archives like the Royal Varsity or NSA Academy or much more like that. So, despite these mandates, they are always listen to the noise from social media like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, other social media. So, the high quality education is actually behind the paywall. So if you want high quality education, you have to pay. So what I am planning to propose with my project is that this is going to be actually a regulatory firewall, which actually blocks off advices of unregistered as is displayed in the slide. Solution that I'm introducing is real-time AI-driven education layer that acts as an regulatory firewall critically of the blockchain extension. It provides digital ID check, mandate guidelines, following actually, the market size for the project is really big because there are 210 million participants, active repositories in India. And 75, as already said, 75% of them are actually under the age of 30. So there is a surveillance gap in the market. So we are planning on filling it. Actually, there is an existing program that actually takes down misleading posts. It's called Solution, which was actually proposed by SEBI. And last month it took around 1,40,000, 20,000 posts monthly. So there are like 1,20,000 misleading posts throughout the internet every single month. So they are already tracking it down. So we are going to improvise it by referring to SEBI databases.
Sudarsan has already live from your side?
Actually, there is initiative called Solution, which actually takes down viral content. So there is no real-time detection.
Are they providing any API for you to utilize?
Actually, we are.
You mentioned that you will be building front end for that question.
Yes.
Are they providing any useful API?
Yeah, actually, they are actually inviting India AI startups right now. So we are planning on adopting APIs from SEBI, which is exactly Solution.
What if in upcoming future they will work on front end also? Then what is the future of
So
your?
actually, that's the key point of this project. This is the perfect timing for the initiation of this project because the mandate that is going to be released by SEBI in May 1, that actually.
No, my question is if they have hosted the backend, then they must be having a plan for hosting the front end also, right?
As far of now, not really. So we are going to propose the idea, and it's going to be backed by SEBI database. So it's like the most legitimate body in India. So this is like the next step. So what our project is proposing is that we are not giving any advices. We don't tell people how to build well. We are protecting it. Like we don't want people to be robbed of their screens. That's what we are proposing. And the main objective is active defense over passive education. Because we don't educate people to actually trade or invest in anything. It's actually a defense. Because 90% of FNO participants actually lose their money. So with our initiative, there's no chance for people to blindly lose money.
So you are not advising on FNO or
Not really. It's not an advice. It's actually a recheck, an evaluation.
how are you evaluating FNO?
Actually, FNO was this in the reference.
One more doubt I have, that the user should be conscious that he is being tracked or something to recheck it, right?
Yeah, actually,
First he should be conscious, then only he will recheck it, right?
Yeah.
So usually in these kinds of jobs, the element of urgency is there. Like
FOMO.
you just FOMO and urgency also. Like you just demonstrated
Yeah,
the
it's
urgency
the
is
act,
there.
the noise.
So in this kind of FOMO and urgency, how your platform is tackling that instead of being user conscious, your platform should take care of
The
that.
actual thing is, we are providing a first-hand convenience to the people. Like it's not like they have to manually check it. It's an extension.
How
and
you are managing it? How you are managing it?
managing it.
What are the features or what are the implementations?
The first feature I've already told is an extension. Like people can, if it's written text or something, that's the way to do text advices like from Telegram or from X or any other platform. They can actually just copy paste it. This is an extension. It's right on top of the desktop. So it's provided.
Let's say I got a WhatsApp forward. Like is a recent case. My father got a WhatsApp forward of our finance minister finance minister was saying that we have launched the government this scheme and you can invest this much and you will get this return and all. That was completely I related speech. Okay. But the problem is that my father is not knowing this that this is AI generated on okay. Now he has to share that from WhatsApp to your application because WhatsApp is a separate app. Your extension cannot get access to it.
Yeah. That is why we are actually introducing at the end of the slide. I am actually introducing what there are also features for Android users as well. We are actually introducing a feature called Share to Verify. So it's like
That's the problem. That user should be conscious and he should just share language. Right?
it is obligation.
It's like saying that suppose you want to check whether that video or that content, whatever is posting on WhatsApp is credible or not, they have to share it to your platform, right?
The main point is the victim is not aware that
He is not aware.
Actually, that's what we are going to cover in the marketing section. In the marketing section, we are planning on exposing the fake news. So the exposure is actually just delivered. So people become aware of it, and then we will plan this side.
so manual intervention is required.
Manual intervention is a choice. Actually, it's actually a choice.
Whenever the scam is there, then because of urgency and FOMO,
Yeah.
no one is actually rechecking anything. And that's the pain point. That's the pain point. That your platform should solve.
Yes.
This is the solution.
It's the convenience and let people in this state. If like a lot of people are consuming vertical videos these days, and it's because of the convenience. If you scroll to the next video, there is an option to the next video. But if you actually remove that option, like you cannot scroll to the next video, you have to go back and select the next video. Then people are going to use it much less. My platform is actually a lot convenient than that. And because of the convenience, people will use it. Actually, the most convenience is actually experienced by the desktop users.
Actually, the question is different, but question is user should know that he has to share or not.
Yes.
Right? That is the main point.
The awareness is created by the marketing team already.
When you are making such platforms, then this is expected from the platform itself that instead of user sharing it, you should detect it only. What you are doing in the Chrome extension.
Yeah.
Right? Chrome extension is detecting on its own. So even if someone tries to create a FOMO or urgency, your extension would flag it immediately that this is scam. Okay. But that is not coming in the Android and iOS. That convenience is not coming, right?
That convenience can be a bit different in Android.
Yeah, and mostly users are on Android and iOS who are being not on the browser.
Yeah, so actually, can I just take this slide? This is the slide. This is actually the explanation for your question.
Spelling of using is not correct.
Because I typed it down my own, so it's not copied.
Okay, yeah, exactly. So you are seeing the complete screen.
Yes.
Yeah, you haven't mentioned this thing.
Just.
Yeah, that's what I was
I
expecting
was
from you.
actually going to
Yeah, okay.
the point.
That was the exactly thing what I was expecting from you,
Actually,
but
yeah.
you haven't mentioned it till now.
Because I was going into it. It's in the next slide, so I was.
Are you not completely aware of your
Yes,
role?
I am. But.
Okay.
Before time starts.
Things we have already covered inside the question, so it's like the complete governance of it.
How will you make money?
How will I make money? In the beginning process, we won't be getting money, but after we have gold, we are planning on actually Yeah.
And it takes time.
Yeah. So after gaining the trust badge from the users, we are actually planning to book our profits from legitimate advisors, like so that they can display a badge of trust on their profile. Just like what you see on social media, there's just a blue tick on it which verifies that the person is an actual citizen, something like that. So in my project, as we gain popularity as provide, we are planning on like providing a badge. That's one option. The second option is after gaining B2B licensing, we are planning on you know on putting the shares in the equity market, or like selling it a portion of the company to a large company.
How much are you planning to charge from advisors for the verification test?
That's a premium option. So as we evolve, the payment would be since it is from the actual advisors and they can afford it, a 5 digit.
But SEBI is already providing the same thing, and SEBI is more trustable. Okay, then why people will trust advisor having your badge instead of the SEBI approved advisor?
So we are actually using service API and we are actually backed by intermediary SEBI database.
So people can directly check on the SEBI's website that this is
So then the FOMO is actually winning there because the SEBI's website doesn't have much capabilities. It's more like a library. You have to go to the section, you have to pick up the book, and you have to come to the page.
so you are just processing the data and sharing that yeah.
Giving it a channel.
Channel. So basically, the advisor who is verified by SEBI, why that will pay to you for the friend? That is already in the database, na? You just fetch it.
And the SEBI itself, you are committed.
Yeah. And you cannot compete government authority.
Yeah, we are not competing with them. We are actually
You said that your business model is providing badge to advisors. But
Yes.
advisors are already having savings badge, and you are just fetching it from the database.
So actually from May 1st, SEBI is going to release a mandate which says that advisors should actually show their registration numbers in every advice.
Yeah.
So it's like we are ahead of time, and with time we will evolve.
No, with time, SEBI will release one more feature and you
So
will
SEBI has
entitled
been here
with
for
the
decades, but they are actually playing defense. That's the best way to put it. Because
Okay, but your revenue model is still not clear for me. You cannot provide badge to any advisor. That is correct or not?
not any advisor legitimate registered.
You cannot provide badges.
So it's like a app feature, like
You cannot provide badges. That is already being provided by SEBI.
but
Okay. So no one will look for your badges anymore.
we move on to
See,
certain.
as a if I am being if I want to take advice, okay, I will simply check whether this guy is certified by SEBI or not.
So because
Okay,
you,
I will
you
not,
are
see your
actually an
candidate.
intellectual guy, you are not forward than normal layman people. So if we can gain trust.
Even layman people are more conscious about this thing that the certifying authority is government or not.
So actually you have more aware of it. Most normal people don't know it. Like we are actually providing a platform for normal people. It's like points are gained by inside a platform or like video game, something like that. It's like the
Your
platform.
cause is very noble actually. The thing that you want to do is very good.
Yeah.
But
Your solution
your-
is not
no,
solving the
your
case.
solution is also good, but the way you will make money is suspicious. Like
Yeah.
we don't know how you will make money.
So and after the success, we are actually B2B licensing with
When it will
Okay,
become
B2B
success,
licensing, what you will
when
provide?
it will become success, what is your opinion?
Most probably within 1 to 2 years.
How will you assess that 1 to 2 years?
How will I assess the
Yes,
1 to 2
yes.
years?
How you are saying from what point you are saying?
Like
Yeah.
in what perspective?
What perspective is success? Why you are saying
How do you define
success? Yeah.
How do I define success
Success.
with this project?
Yes.
It's basically becoming a category game. That's what I would say.
So like you will get n number of customers, trusted customers, then you can define success, right? Like you are onboarding a number of customers and so now the customer is ready to pay. So that point is you are trying to say it's success, right?
So actually,
On board and they are ready to pay.
customers are ready.
Yeah.
Customers are ready.
Ah.
Actually, in India, the usage rate is actually diminished if any service is actually a paid one. So we are actually planning on
So let's discuss how much is the initial cost that you will
initial.
pay?
So the proof of concept is around 6 to 10 lakhs.
Can you
Just
go to
to
next slide? The speaker and skip. That technology one, Android video system. Yeah. So for the implementation part also I have one issue. Okay. When you are taking all the accessibility permissions and the screen recording, then you will be seeing everything. So where you are processing it? On the device or on your server?
it's actually on one device.
On device.
I know
we just
that. I know
discussed
that.
about
I know
it.
that. I know. But it's
And if you are sending everything on the server, then you have to categorize what to send and what to not send.
so actually that is on server is better for the project and the server base is better for the people. I know that. Yes.
Yeah. So there is also a very big dilemma, right? Because you cannot see everything of like users. WhatsApp chat, gallery, photos, whatever you will open, your that will be always taking screenshots, right?
So actually, we are like, what do you say? A user-led platform. It's not like we read each and everything. Okay? And then,
Problem is you will reach or not is not a problem. Okay. Data is going to your server, that is the problem. Any hacker can come in between, or data can leak from your data server. So many things are there. No? Yeah. So many problems are there. You are not reading, okay, but anyone else can read because you are taking it.
actually,
And if you are taking, then your privacy policy is not affected.
yeah, the cloud-based GPUs.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah.
Do you mind if I actually display on the slides? Feasibility is already shown. And the company's revenue, influence here, marketing. And another thing, some people might say that exposing fake videos is not actually the government information.
Feature
It is
and
not
many apps now. They used to flag it. Like InSort is also having this
People
tag.
have very strong legal support.
Have you seen the InSort that viral release?
InSort.
InSort is a news.
Yeah, I use that. I
It
use
is
it,
this check that it is a fake video.
Yeah.
Fake viral videos, they are also
Deepfake.
Yeah. Deepfake and whatever they are finding that this is fake, they are publishing it there. At the time of war, they deployed this thing that
I have noticed that.
whatever is the viral fake information, so that is already in the user.
Budget for the government.
The cause is very good, but you have to work more on the idea and solve these fundamental problems that how you will solve these dilemmas.
Yes. Thank you.
Just work on this.
No. Thank you. Thank you.
अरे हाँ सॉरी सॉरी तेरा भेजा ही नहीं एक सेकंड